Patricia Outram grew up at Newland Hall near Dolphinholme. When war broke out in 1939, she was 16 years old and desperate to do her bit. She left school in 1940, hoping to be an ambulance driver, but her application was rejected. In 1942, Patricia applied to join the Women's Royal Naval Service.
Uncle Tid was in the Royal Navy. He thought it would be more than appropriate for me to join the Wrens. I wrote to ask my father if he would approve, but I wasn't able to find out what he thought, because in February 1942 there was very bad news indeed.
Patricia's father, Major Carey Outram, had been taken prisoner by the Japanese in Singapore. Officially described as missing, it would be several months until Patricia heard he was a prisoner of war in Thailand.
I used my time to brush up on my German with Lily, our cook.
Patricia was invited to Liverpool for a German language test. She recorded her feelings that day.
Rather melodramatic, incredible and historic day. Went to the Wren's recruiting office in Old Hall Street, and my future suddenly became staggering, owing to me having passed test. I'm filled with astonishment, pride, and feeling of crushing responsibility. I am going to be a Wren.
Patricia trained as a special duties linguist and was sent to a Y station in East Yorkshire.
Y actually stood for WI. Wireless Intercept. We all had to sign the Official Secrets Act. Interceptor work comprised long periods of crushing boredom when nothing happened, punctuated by short stints of incredible intensity. The station was live 24 hours a day, so we worked in a pattern of 4 hours on, 8 hours off. The worst shift began at 4 in the morning. We turned to the radio's dial, listening for German naval traffic. When a signal came through, we noted it down on a message pad. Many of the messages intercepted were in plain German. When we heard an Enigma code message, we wrote down the letters and it was immediately sent to Bletchley Park. Of course, we didn't know it was Bletchley Park then. We called it Station X.